Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line. Bling bling. Bling bling. Bling bling.
Memory phone ya John.
Bling bling.
Bling line. Hello.
Hi, Kunjani.
Good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Am I speaking to Sarah?
Yes.
Why'd you have to think about that? Is everything okay there?
Yeah, so I've got a Xhosa name, right? Now, my Xhosa name, I have to change it when I come to work and use a one that is more friendly.
What's your closer name, sir? What is your closer name?
Qaqambile.
And so why are we calling you Sarah?
So it's easier on the tongue. That's what, so on my
Can
IG.
we just call you Q?
No, you see, this is what I'm fighting now.
Okay, sorry.
It's because you want to please, can we call you? No, you can't. I said Qaqambile.
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
Now, the problem is with people that can't pronounce Q, they pronounce QK.
Kakam.
Then, yeah.
Yeah.
No. I didn't say do it.
Sorry.
I just said Sarah is my name.
But Sarah's not like a real name, is it?
Sorry?
Isn't Sarah, I know, my garden boy, his name is...
Person. The gardener. It's a gardener.
I'm so
not
sorry.
garden boy.
I'm so sorry. Yeah, you're so right. He's not
Why? Because he wasn't there when you went to the mountain. Oh, you didn't go to the mountain, right? Let me guess. Wow. No prizes for guessing that you didn't go.
Did ladies go to the mountain?
So then what do you know about boys and men and things like that?
I'm terribly sorry. I will never say that again.
I'm going to take you to, I don't know where I'm going to take you. PCCSA or something.
My garden man is...
Gardener.
My gardener is... His name is Sipo. And I've heard his like friends calling him Sarah. So I've taken for granted that if you're giving a nickname to someone whose name is Sipo, then you call them Sarah. But if your name is Kakam
Eva. Do you hear it now?
If your name is QAMBAQMBLILE, then how is your nickname Sarah?
What's your name, ma'am?
Talita.
Why do your friends call you?
Talita.
Oh, yeah, no. What's your nickname?
T-Money.
What a silly name.
Excuse me?
Whoever called you that, tell them that I said they must stop doing that. Now, does that now have any relevance to who you are, where you come from?
No.
T-Money. What does that even mean?
Well, my friends like to call me like a top dog.
Top dog?
Yes.
Okay.
And because I rap really well, so at some point it was like my rap name.
Oh, humor me. Oh, don't tempt me with a good time, ma'am.
Oh, would you like me to rap for you?
Give me a 16, please.
All right. Since I'm in a position to talk to these kids and they listen, I ain't no politician, but I kick it with them in minutes.
Oh, I think your friends should call you Eminem. They not call you. They are right to call you a menace because you are biting Eminem. So I guess you are a top dog. Oh, who can touch this?
I'm glad we had this conversation.
Yeah, no, hey, let me give you a time because no, this is not worth my time at this moment. All right, thank you so much. Qaqambile, over and out.
Hi guys, and welcome back to Bling Line.
What's good? What's happening? You know what it is. Tamsupela, Tamsubiri, Tamswaiko, back on it.
For sure.
We missed you last week.
We did miss you guys last week. But life was laughing, bro. Oh no. If you watch episode 127, you'll know why we missed last week. This is the show where we read your comments and we comment on them. And without further ado, we're going to get it started.
100% to BL star uthi he ta ubonile uba unomthalala ba bamushelile wa khayifunde khayithathe over to you.
Eta ubonile ba unomthalala bamushelile wanqaba pha TV. That was so funny to me. Anywho, hello.
It's good.
Kitabile mal. This person is from Kimberley, so. Yes.
Not Pretoria.
I don't know. That mal for me was what took me to Kimberley.
Sure.
Kitabile mal because unfortunately in the spirit of me not making a big deal of my accomplishments, even after fighting so hard to achieve them, I just realized nearly a month after receiving my results that I hold an N4 mechanical engineering qualification.
Izinja as a
That's how my week was. Very chaotic. Ilirata kudu from Ngwanenyana wa Mopedi. We got you all wrong, bro.
Can we call you Ngwane? Onyana. Shout out.
Small nyana.
Yeah, no, shout out. Small. Calves are the small.
Stop.
Oh, Piggy small.
Why?
Small. Nyana, small. Who do we know that is linked to small? Piggy and Kapsa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sharp.
So, okay. Small. Shout out to you for completing Make Eng.
Yeah, well done.
Kaloko, hey, they must make a thing where you're able to attach pictures. Someone please talk to Spotify where you're able to attach pictures. Because you're finding no academic record. Record time, how many? Yeah, I'm joking. Mato.com, China 51. That's all we need in life, and we go forward. What matters is not how much you're able to memorize, but how much you are able to recall. As well as practice.
Amen.
So shout out for getting there. Massive feat that you were able to do. And thank you for making your parents and your funders proud. Because a lot of the time we don't complete things that we started, to the disappointment of those that have enabled us to do so. So shout out to you for doing that.
Okay. Well done. DLMM.
Nazoke nangushali uthi first time commenting, and I'd like to thank Tamzupela for bringing up this issue ebola because I do this rage baiting thing of making fun of my friends' favorite players by saying, me personally, I would have kicked the ball in the right direction. Come on, that goal net is so wide. We posa njani. Yo bangacaphuka umuntu wabebomvu emnyama. Love you guys with the love of Man U supporters and more. I'm a Man U supporter. If I were to be asked to choose a team to support,
you're a Man U supporter. Yes. Why have I never known that?
If I were to be asked with a gun to my head, wow, which team do I support? I say Man U.
Goba.
Because Dandy Tan the Man U dal.
Okay.
Yeah, bo. Nansekela xesha lo Ryan Giggs, Paul Scholes, yayiva njalo David Beckham, yayibona yonke, David Seaman. Why natsika? Why Man U?
So
ngubani goalkeeper ngela xesha? Ukabukeli ngela xesha kanene.
Angikhumbuli Jam.
Yazifikela le nto excited kangaka. Thina sayazi lebhola biyamanzana mthi.
Okay, dog.
Sure. Shout out to you.
This was so thought-provoking and entertaining. I had to re-watch it. I just love when Tasisa makes the voice ka Pastor Nono. Kubani Pastor Nono?
Banu Talita.
Yeah, Mazwan Pastor Nono.
Eh, Mazgat.
Also the way.
How do you answer that question?
Because usisipho mazelabi yena Pastor Nono.
So ngumfundisi walapha ekerk.
You could have just said that. Oh. That would have been very, very...
But no, it's not like you know him any better.
No, but now I know why this person knows and you know.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, sorry. I'm sorry. I told.
Ununkupi cheeky.
Dimero. So you're at the surface scale, coach.
Also, the way Nomtalala says that's Sisa's full name. Oh, Zukondima. That's when I can't believe him. Also, King Tao, where can one get this game? Oh, the game. Oh, man. I forgot what the name of the game is.
Okay.
But I got it at Takealot.
Sure.
Yes.
100%.
Oh, man. I'll try to remember the name of the game, guys. But Okwanguku Disailibele. But I got it from Takealot.
Oh, okay, cool. Oh, this is that game with the cards that we ask each other all of these questions.
Yeah.
Yeah, I found this composition. Yeah, injani bag. Guys, can you summon any bag and your patindo zethu because yeah, well, you don't George. I'm your bag empty pie. I'm sure bangayithatha bayinantsika bayibeke elsewhere because I don't think aman bayifuni. Yo, seyikhutuka nala W. Sana lam.
It still works. It's why.
Yeah, funny nyan. And it's worth its weight in gold because that 8 rand. Yeah, isebenzile. Ayu ya owa wena uwilisi ngoku. Ngenxa yoba usebenzeka. It wasn't meant. It's meant you will bag is meant for you, but upumele grocery at a shop. Then after that, umqeshi Tupperware, ufake Tupperware. Xeshi izihlangu, ufake izihlangu ne-makeup unayo yonke into. Ayimelibanga isebenza ngohlobo.
Accomplish izinto kwami, so I have to use it somehow.
Ne?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, it's fine.
I-voice kapasita no ithi nje.
Awubukela episode.
Okay.
Uthani ngathi
Siyabonga sisipo.
It's easy to impersonate someone up until you are asked to do so.
True.
Pelimei Uti, I remember in high school when the Harry Potter books were released, people would sit outside, Pick and Pay Ipsuk, waiting for them to open so that they could buy a copy. My parents would never allow that or buy me the book, so I'd wait for my white friends to finish reading theirs. Then I'm the food. I listened to you guys while working. I hardly ever watch. As funny as you are, it's rare that I laughed out loud.
No,
Shout
wow.
out. It is actually very hard. Oh, I'm very funny. It is very hard to laugh out loud to something that you're listening to rather than watching. I think it's a little bit harder.
True. There's something about the movement of people's human bodies that that add to a joke.
For sure.
Yeah.
Imagine bukele stand-up comedy everything.
Awubukelanga mos.
So you can't imagine it.
No. Thanks, Pelimei.
Shout out.
Utu becoming ubu. I am signing myself as both of your biographers.
In what biograph?
Mntokubhalela incwadi.
Oh, okay. Autobiography.
Ile uyibhale ngokwakho.
Yes, okay.
Send the email, I will send the contract. Ndiredi. Hi, boo. The hardest decision I've ever had to make was releasing my expectations of other people.
What?
There are people I want to be more present, more vocal, and more outpouring that weren't. I kept waiting till I realized that my life's purpose isn't dependent on them being anything to me. It hurts so bad. Anyway, love you, bye.
What a big one.
Yeah, that's something we hang on a lot also of uncommunicated expectations, firstly.
Yeah, sure.
But just expectations generally.
And they hurt us, eh?
And they do hurt us, especially because it's difficult to say, be more present. Be more vocal.
More present, man.
Awuzukwazi umcela umuntu because umuntu uzokwenza lento afuna uyenza.
100%. So rather than umcela, awufuna umu-explainela. Ba i-presence yakhe ikwenza uzive njani.
Ubukho bakho buyi
oxygen. I think so. It's such a big thing also. And such a thing that you are easily able to forget as someone who's that person. You know what I mean? Who's being asked. Once I'll be more present. Then you just forget. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But at least if I know how it make you feel.
feel.
People will forget what you do.
But they'll never forget how you made them feel.
Siyabulela ke sis Maya. Maya hi.
Njalo.
Shout out becoming Upu. You still into a biographer?
Uthi ufuna uba ibiographer yethu. When we
because we were talking about writing a book and writing books and don. My friend, last night better the ways. Isquati. Don't also for contract. First page I am a biography. Akaitani paperwork. And these are my audio book only. It won't exist in like in actual like in a tangible form.
Wild times ahead.
So shout out becoming. I'd love to know what you do as a person in general.
Yeah, for sure.
If you can offer that skill. Also the amount of patience and the amount of curiousness that you need to have.
Yeah.
By a biographer.
For sure.
And then kwathini?
Kwathini yena?
Yeah.
Wena waziva njani?
Oh, telling one side of the story. They got joking man, look biography. Hey, risky.
Stop talking. Thanks for coming, Evie. Let's move on. It's you. Hello?
Amanda Netezo, Uti, I live in Kwazakele, boy. I've never seen a golf course. The 80s was nice.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah,
The 80s was absolutely not nice.
Kwazakele, golf course. Some the whole 16. You never know. That's why because you're actually on a golf course.
I wonder what happened.
Did you ever go back to that golf course?
No.
Funeke sibuze time actually uba
Sasihlala apha Masambe.
Khawusise pha apho sasihlala khona. Did you ever go?
No.
Edwesi, have you ever gone back?
No. Have you?
No.
You wouldn't know where to go. You're a small baby.
Exactly. Yeah, absolutely. That would be very interesting.
Yeah,
actually,
we should go back.
How crazy must it be for parents though to be like Tanglala up and then you go back there 20 some odd years, 30 years later, and it's just completely different.
Yeah.
Ubona indlu yakho pha. Sine garage yesesibili. Umekhelwane bayacompete. Imagine.
Yeah, we should when we're back there together.
Yeah, because I do that all the time. Like for example, up in Gauteng, whenever I pass somewhere, I'm sure nefro yami idikwe finish. Oh, let's do the radio golf. Sahlala apha ke nombonji. Sahlala apha. And I always realize afterwards, but bro, you said this last week when you were going to macro.
She should say it first. Like bowling, I decided, all right. Uthi Umuhao MG. I thought Zuko and Sisa, it's Sisa with an S, were the same name. I thought it's Zuko Sisa wins. And then Zuko was shortened.
There's a friend of mine that calls me Zuko Sisa. You know it? Zuko Sisa. Like Zuko Sisa. It's never Zuko. Who's Zuko Sisa?
I guess Zuko.
Yeah, no, Zuko Sisa, Zuko, glory, Sisa, kindness. Loiso, victory. Ndima, memory text.
Victor.
Dank Marcela man. Die Musa in Yukon die light in Musa kerk maar ek Jan. Uzo kutet ukuthini? Ithi mina uzuko glory. Okay, basi undima yena. Dirty memory text. And where that came from is that where there was a memory text for the summer school lesson, and then gets closer. In memory text, Yindi Mayengumbul. No, it's not creative.
Fair, bro, fair. Fair.
So yeah, okay, in Wimbiza memory text, I want to tell memory text. It's so embarrassing, but so fun at the same time.
Cute, yes.
Oh, why? Libala bro. Sips kutukana. Uti Bontle Modiselle is also famous for dancing. Yeah, Eva.
You're killing your neck muscles for sure.
Was from Chikamachika days. Ubuhle wayedrayiva kuChikamachika.
Oh, I didn't know that.
So very valid, Tamzupe.
Yes, bendimlibele ubunhle dog. She's famous
is
for
it?
jive. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Oh, for sure.
Fair.
So ke dreams zami zivalid. Eyo.
Ewe.
Yo, cha uyiqala ngaphi?
Nekucela ubunhle beyilanduka yakho funini. Beyimento.
Ngiqala mhlawumbe koSkomota. New levels.
Oh, for him to be the best, you gotta be taught by the best, bro.
And that's what I say in my training all the time.
Hi, boo.
Hi.
What?
I feel very inadequate. Tell me, man, ndifike kubuntle xa ndizazi i-basics.
Why?
I'm not funding. It's intimidating. And I'd get intimidated a lot.
Because because the person you asked to teach you is good at dancing. Now you're intimidated.
Yeah, because I feel like, what happens if I can't?
Then you try harder and you practice. That's all you can.
Do you think dancing is a skill or a talent? I
think it's both.
Huh?
I think it can be both.
Okay, well, I suppose. Talent.
Exactly. And then you just practice so that your skills are be better.
Eish. And ngumuntu onale talent.
Hey, Pichum.
Ubujayiva wasukule yakhumbula. Sumabhodi kaloku.
It's not a talent for me. It's a skill for me.
Is it? Did you practice like really, really hard? Really?
I was part of a dance troupe.
Yeah, but how did you get there?
I just wanted to dance.
But you could. No,
I'm talking about do. Not even about a stretch of the
Not
night.
anymore, but I remember you jive, man.
For me, I'm not drive itaba. I mean, I'm drive better than you, and that's what you thought, Banti better.
Oh, fair.
Yeah.
Hey, okay.
Thanks, some subs.
Clearly, it's not your dream.
What does the name Sisa mean? Oh,
aha, we've just covered that. Sisa means kindness. Kindness. What?
That's not what you said the first time.
I did.
No, you didn't.
What did I say? Yeah, tell it. Chin. Sisa means kindness, bro.
Really?
Yes.
Glory,
kindness, victory.
Okay.
Bravi. Yeah, Sisa definitely means kindness. And we also got from Google that says to us, the name Sisa has several beautiful and distinct meanings depending on its cultural origin.
Oh, Asana, and the cultural religions.
Can you imagine?
Quechua origin in Southern American language, it means flower.
Mbalzin.
Slavic and Latin origin, it means?
It is often as short as affectionate nickname for longer names.
Like Stanislava or Sylvia.
Yeah, masiyeki Hebrew, okay?
To be a sister. There's no Kosaya Filipino. It is famously known as the name of the tragic devoted mother to somebody.
Oh, really? Oh, that's excellent.
Okay. And in Xhosa, God's grace. Kindness, Chomi.
Kindness. Oh.
The name Sisa means God's grace or God's gift or favor done by God.
Oh, kindness.
Where did you get that from?
I tell you, what are you guys doing? Guys, Google, yes, what?
Why did I talking kindness? 40 years of your life lying to everyone.
Kindness and grace. Yeah.
Kindness and grace, yes, live in the same spot.
Hey, Lomo, siyabulela man.
Yes.
Ungikhuphe etyholweni apha bendisetyholweni for my whole life, so siyabulela kakhulu for bringing that to our attention.
Yeah, thank you.
Second research le wendicheck ba ithini kanye.
Please do. Ubukho umuntu mni uthi Tamzupela is so important to me. He's hilarious. I was like, important?
I love that.
I know.
Oh, I love that.
I thought that
love
was so cute.
That's excellent.
Siphokozi Hope says, hi, Botani Bodlamini. And the commenda. Anyways, okay. Thanks. I don't remember reading this name ever.
Sistimani. I love that.
Anyways, Sistimani. Sana ndiyithanda down ibhola. Ndime ngeenyawo xa betyaza phofu. Andikwazi nozehlula ezi team. I've been trying to know the difference. Kwezi zangaphesheya ngcono ezi zethu ke Sundowns.
Phakamiso 7.
But ndiyazifunda ngoku kancane kuyalunga. So, tamzwibiri, khululeka buti, asipei siyonwaba qha kuphela. Ndithanda down.
Ndithanda ngale nto ba wena uthanda ibhola. Yeke ba iteam kwathini. Ungilaa nto wena kuthiwa unguteam ndatya. Because whichever team wins, iba iteam yakho le. I love that.
That's cute, Supergazi. It's always cool for me when girls start getting into sport.
Yeah, no, for sure. 100%. Shout out for that.
So, uyazi ke, kwezi teams zangaphesheya, you are an Arsenal fan. You're a Gunner, you're a Gooner. If you're going to belong to us, abantu balapha ziganazi.
Apekapa.
Ziganazi.
Okay, sure.
Thanks.
Sure, Ganas. Uhlehle Mtyeku 28 uthi nothing makes me happy than hearing y'all say nikhulele eBhayi. Oh, every chance I get ndithi kwaba basekhaya bakhulele apha ke sana. Anibuya nisiza ngapha sicela nenze live session for Tina GQ Torho. Azoba sold out amatikiti, please and thank you. King Ta, siyakufanela sani style. You look so cute, man.
Oh,
really style Powerpuff Girls.
Yeah, my hair's finally long enough to do that.
Oh, you had that problem before? Lekker. And just down in the envious.
Don't be envious.
Eh?
Don't be envious.
Okay.
Not good. Says the Bible.
Jealous. There's a difference between jealousy and envy.
Yes, but neither of them are good.
Okay.
All right. Uthi uhlehle Mtyeku.
Again. I just read a comment.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Diphanse uyeka phakathi le episode jokes. Kuba ndibone energy kaTaloid ingathi off because he didn't laugh away aqhela uhleka ngayo. Sike wahleka ngo-V1. Andabinathemba le good episode. Nithe nofika kula party yesoka noko ndaphola ndambona uTayo yanyibilika.
Hey, go man.
Oh, ube right man Taloid next week sicela ubuye ufresh.
Ooh, sana la. Got bad news for you, shit.
Kafresha gachi.
I've got bad news for you. Can't and the fresh episode because again. But you know what? That's something that's nice starting from the bottom. There's only one way to go. One way to go, and that's up. Yeah, man. Sorry, man. Me says Motini last time, we last episode. Beniki moods
But singobale nje.
Talita one tata one did. So okay, 100% shout out.
Wakuthatha la, wakubeka le.
Okay.
Thanks, Lehle.
Siyabulela. Q Melamane. Uti, I always say that people, especially men, will remember something that happened in a match ka 2007. Kodwa mbuze indo akazi because memory yakhe ibad. Yo, isport.
Sada.
Not that memory yakhe ibad, it's just that ayibalekanga la ndlela yebhola le ndumbuza yona. I personally don't watch sports because I don't like how much power they have over our emotions. I've stopped watching ezinye series because of the same reason.
Damn.
I can't be annoyed iminyonge nxa yendo ese-TV. Imagine.
Yeah, but I also think that kind of speaks to personality yakho as well.
For sure.
And mhlambi wena you're more sensitive than the average human being. And it's cool to protect yourself in that way.
Absolutely. Akondo enantsikayo because I think not all therapy is exposure therapy. Eh?
No.
Not all things, because there are certain things that you can completely go without and things that you can miss. And your life is not any worse off because of that. So shout out to you for that awareness of really being able to protect yourself.
Thanks, Q.
Shawty, Audi.
Utu Mashi RSA, think of sport like any YouTube channel. People behave the exact same way. They buy merch, buy tickets to see you, spend an hour watching two people simply having a conversation and so on. If someone... If someone were to disrespect Zuko, guess what? LOL. They would be pissed off. It is all about community and belonging.
Big game.
Thanks, Mashi. This is great. This is all we needed, actually. Masval, good night.
Yeah, no, shout out for that. I the comment. Kakulu. So okay. No, shout out. And thank you for being for being in this community. You definitely have a place and you guys definitely belong here. And we belong here as well. So shout out to you for that.
Thanks, Mashi.
Yeah, absolutely.
Are you okay? Are you feeling it? Must I read the next one? What to you, Holy Spaces? I think I saw Tamzupela at Mushroom Night Market. Bukona? Have you been to a night market recently? Bingenguwe? Oh, Bingenguwe. Miss case of
Zenza mna lowo umntu lowo.
Kumbethe
ngemushroom. Yeah, no, I don't know who that was. Definitely wasn't me. Haven't been out so long.
We're going out tonight, sort of.
Yeah, no, definitely not me. Maybe somebody else. I am not the one. Vanessa Bassini. Thank you guys. Thank you so much, guys. This entire episode reminded me of my late brother and I's conversations. And when you ended the closeness of it all with the insika explanation, it just solidified, if that's the correct word to use, what I had been feeling throughout the episode.
Nice.
His name is Nsika. Or was. 2 years has never felt so short over time.
Oh. Bah. Sorry about your brother, man.
No, condolences, man.
Yeah.
Condolences.
But I'm glad we could attach a happy memory to it as well.
No, for sure, definitely. And thank you for joining us on that episode and watching. And it's always so cool when things like that happen, you know what I mean? Where it yambi, then it ends on Insika. That's utixo lowo.
Yeah.
And I'm glad that you look back fondly on those memories with your brother.
Absolutely. Thanks, Vanessa. Uti Melissa Dumela. Hey, Blings. Okay, I'm back. I popped in earlier around 12 midday just to mark the register because I was still at work. Now it's 19:07 and y'all are going through the board as I'm typing this comment. On the sports chat, let me share a little story. When I first started working at a local community radio station in Mount Alive, our favorite place, as a sports news lady, ndixelelwa namhlanje ukuba ndizokwenza ezemidlalo. Ngomso ndiyosasaza. Sisazelaphi isport mna.
Msasazo.
I didn't even know the coach of Bafana Bafana. Pofu, I support Kaizer Chiefs. What a roller coaster ride that was. Listeners were constantly correcting
so
me.
Funny.
Dandi Buta.
Siyangakona.
But eventually I caught the lingo, I found my feet, became really good at it. And honestly, I ended up loving sport. Nice. Also, I love my name, Melissa. A Greek name meaning honeybee. I don't have a second name and I'm totally cool with it.
Leka.
That's such a crazy story, man. I feel like a lot of people would just be like,
nah, not me.
Listeners is manezi phone city. I would have been like
listeners. Oh, but I love that you took it in your stride.
Yeah, for sure.
Melissa, and you rolled with it. That's excellent. Bani coach
You go brush.
Hey, funny. Hey, Melissa, I go wedwa. Amashita beye kwi send off ya Bafana and the stadium or whatever the case may be. So ngoke nyathi imile that all night uba afune ndathi kuyoko brush no ndikombe Hugo Boss. Guys, what's happening? Is Hugo Boss a person? Is it not a brand? Man, Hugo Boss. I'm just like, I don't know what is going on here. Only to find out 2 days later, my coach him up.
Son offense.
Now I regret as long as I comment I'm here go you pambe. You go kana timing whoever he is. Askis out here man yabo. But bendivumelana now because we out here.
Yeah, you've.
And I don't necessarily need to know what you're talking about in order to support. Non-support away.
Thank you, Melissa. Oh, we have to go to the one. Oh, must I read this?
Uncedo Langa 6627 uthi molweni sis T and Putsuko. To answer Putsuko, football has been a huge part of my life for as long as I can remember. It was passed down to me through family. My uncle was the person who got me, and the rest of my family fucked. Football.
Football and family food.
My uncle was the person who got me and the rest of my family hooked on the game.
Mm-hmm.
Match days became more than just watching football. They became moments of excitement, debate, and family time. Some of my earliest memories are tied to football, and because of that, and because of that, the Kaizer Chiefs became part of my identity from a young age. When I was 15, I decided to choose my own European club, and I chose Manchester City.
Nice.
To many people, that decision automatically invites criticism.
100%.
Football fans often label City supporters as plastic fans or glory hunters.
That's right.
Assuming they only support the club because of its success. I grew up supporting Kaizer Chiefs, and we've been bad for a while.
Oh, a while.
So when it came time to choose a European club, I naturally gravitated towards a team that impressed me most during that period.
Okay.
Football fans often act as though everyone must choose a struggling team to prove their loyalty. But most supporters are drawn to clubs because choosing the best team at the time doesn't make someone's passion any less genuine, especially when that support continues through the years.
I kind of messed up here and I cut it far away. But you can start there by football. Yeah.
Football is one of the greatest icebreakers in the world. Two strangers can be from different backgrounds, cultures, languages, or countries, yet a conversation about football can instantly create common ground.
Mm-hmm.
A simple question such as, who do you support, can turn into an hour-long discussion. Oh, not with me. Do you remember when David Beckham scored a hat-trick in 92?
No, I don't.
Even a rivalry has a positive side. Some of the best friendships are built between supporters of rival clubs. A City fan and a supporter of Manchester United can spend years arguing about football while remaining close friends. The banter, debates, and shared passion often strengthen relationships rather than weaken them. Football gives people something to talk about, laugh about, and care about together. For me, football is far more than a game. Yeah, we can tell. It is family memories, personal identity, your personal identity, community, friendship, and conversation. It connects me to my past through the influence of my uncle, to my present through the support of Manchester City and Kaizer Chiefs, and to people around the world who share the same passion. To end this, football clearly is life.
If I could stand up, I would. Well done. That was so well thought through.
Yeah, Intle, very nice and very well articulated.
Very nice. Yeah, very well articulated. Ngozi. And you know, it explains so much without like putting the opinion yako as I am right. It's just
for sure, absolutely
what you have experienced, and that's what it is for a lot of people. Also, especially in Ntoya Sefe Melini.
Yeah.
It's not something you choose. It's just something that's happening around you, and you you partake because your family's partaking, and that strengthens a bond too, which is cool.
Yeah, no, for sure, 100%. Thank you so much for sharing that. Yeah, I just can't read that name. Uncedo. Uncedo Langa. Thanks for sharing that. I just had an intrusive thought while I was reading through that.
You read that well, by the way. Well done.
Oh, really? Oh. On the other hand, I'm thinking to myself, I always thought that I could like be a newsreader if like their food. I'm picturing myself reading about started growing up with the club, even if you. Imagine you reader, isn't it you?
Do you know what I always think of? I'm like, I could definitely be a newsreader because I read well. But then if I made a mistake, I don't know what I would say. But I've heard people go, or rather.
Yes!
And I'm like, I would never say that.
Yes. Manchester United, rather City.
Yes.
Yes.
That impresses me so much. Because I'm like,
And
oh,
the drink, absolutely. Yo. Oh, wow. Yeah, no, shout out. Thank you for that opportunity to showcase my skills.
Uthi oyindandam dalana. To Zuko's question about why we watch sports, or in this case football, is that it stems from our backgrounds and communities we grew up in. My dad is a Liverpool supporter. I'm a City fan. And that happens when you watch so much football, and then there's that one team that resonates with you. Can be the fans, stadium, players, history, and little things like the color of the kit, especially when you're young. I'm 18 now. Hey! And I've been a City fan for 10 years now.
Yo.
And my dad has been a Liverpool fan for 31 years.
Madge.
How did that even happen? Isn't it up in I feel like that's how things work. Can't people have choices? Oh, okay.
So okay, I will not support Liverpool because I support one good time.
So your dad ended up walking alone after all. I'm so glad you got that. So you end up growing with the club, even if you started watching it for entertainment value. So there will be an increase in attachments with the club. Interest in news circulating about the club, comments, and plans that the club wants to execute. So my team losing a woman winning affects me because of all of these factors and what it means for the club that I have been invested in for 10 years. And whatever investment lasts for more than 10 years, I guarantee has emotions within it.
Sure. Yeah, no, for sure. I got it, Buffet too. And I think more than anything else, this thing makes me want to can be invested in something of a social nature. Like watching football. Not football. Man. You don't need football and something niche. Badminton. Something, that has got very few teams or very few people that play it. You understand? Even, I tried Formula One, and even that banter got a bit much for me. And there's only, 18 guys? 20. So, I'll try something soon. Mhlawumbe isport endizasipota asikainventwa.
Awukazisapota.
Mhlawumbe sawinventwa ndim.
I watched golf the other day.
Oh yeah?
For longer than I've ever watched golf. Yeah, because I've started playing now, so obviously now I'm like, oh, let's see what happens.
Oh, how do you know someone has started playing golf?
They will tell you about it.
There we go.
And I was just like, wow, this is terribly boring.
Really?
Yeah, not as boring as if I started watching it 5 years ago, but because now I'm aware of the terminology and the stuff. But I was just like, oh, what mean yonke amadoda ebetha ibhola stick.
Yeah, it's all day. It's a very large part of the day.
Yeah, the best part about golf is playing it.
I guess, yeah. I definitely get that.
No, for sure.
Because you get all those emotions that people get like Bugale football, except now you are the one who's
doing it, exactly.
Oh, fair.
And guys, that brings us to the end of our show.
Sambi.
For sure. Thanks again for Ilandukas and Indonesian.
Brings us to the end of our show for sure.
Okay, Sambi, not for sure.
Oh!
I was just quick.
Sorry.
Thanks guys for your comments, Zenu. Keep the comments coming in, and don't forget to watch The Psychology of It All because it's out now.
Well done. Peace out. You know what it is, guys. Don't forget.
I'll be trying to chance.
Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The Bling
Line.